Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically today was my BITSAT first session and my shift was in the morning. Now it is about 9 p.m. as I'm making this video because I just had like 1 or 2 hours of sleep today and my sleep schedule was not fixed, and I woke up like 2 hours back and now I'm getting time to make this video. Anyway, so basically how the exam went, obviously I got my results immediately after giving the exam. I scored in between 140s and 150s, which is obviously bad, but the thing is my main target is second attempt and I only filled the option to give this attempt because I was told so, so that I could get an experience of how this exam is. Since throughout my drop year I had only been preparing for JEE, so just giving this exam once would give me an idea of how this exam really is. I also met a lot of my friends in the exam hall. Also, I met some juniors from my school. It was actually nice seeing all of them. Anyways, the question level was similar to the mock that I gave last time. Although the mock was harder, but since it was hard, it actually gave me an edge in the exam. I didn't feel the questions that I attempted, I didn't feel them as difficult. The questions I left were only majority type of questions that I had forgotten or had skipped. And also in BITSAT there are questions that are there from the deleted topics of JEE Main. And since I gave the mock test on 12th from Photo Club, the English and LR section I felt was a lot easier than what I got in the mock, and I did obviously benefit from that, and I'll try to improve it further in the second attempt. And BITSAT level is easier, but here's the thing, the people you're competing with in BITSAT are the same people you're competing with in JEE, so it's a competitive exam, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, the exam, the level of the questions that are given might be easier, but still you are still competing with the same people, so you should also no one should ever get overconfident in a competitive exam, because it doesn't matter. What matters is how ahead you are of other people. Anyways, for preparation I'm using this book, and I also make a dedicated video on what I'm doing to improve my score in the second attempt, because at the end my target is second attempt. And let's hope for the best, and I really hope that all of you who have taken drop or are in 12th preparing for competitive exams get your desired college. That's it, that's all what I had to say. It was nice meeting my friends and my juniors after like a year and a half. So let's just hope that I improve in the next attempt, and I'll make a dedicated video regarding what I'll be following for my second attempt. And till then, thank you for watching, and if you like this kind of content, subscribe.